Latvia's Midsummer's Night Festival, or LIGO, which is celebrated from June 23rd to 24th, is the country's most beloved holiday. LIGO is a joyous occasion. The summer solstice festival's ancient rituals included worshipping the sun and enhancing nature's fertility. June 23rd is also the longest day of the year, which is followed by the shortest night of the year. This is why bonfires are lit during LIGO, which is an important ritual to mark the victory of light over darkness. Probably the most important part of the LIGO festival is food, which includes home-brewed beer and fresh cheese. Just as important is to decorate the surrounding area where LIGO is to be celebrated, as well as making and wearing oak leaf and flower crowns, which are full of the earth's energy.